Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a very quick, easy and simple but yet delicious barbecue jerk wings in the air fryer recipe. You will just need 4 ingredients, guys, and here I have my chicken that I went ahead and washed and prepped, and I pat it dry. And you will need some all-purpose seasoning, any brand is fine. You will need some chicken bouillon. I have here my homemade jerk seasoning. I can leave the link to this in the description box. And I have some barbecue sauce. Very, very simple. So basically we will be adding all these ingredients to the chicken and we will mix until well combined. And guys, the hardest part about this recipe is waiting for it to marinate. Like, you have to let this sit for 6 hours the least. If you can let it sit overnight, that will be best, but let this sit for about 6 hours and then it will be nice, juicy, and all that seasoning will penetrate into that chicken and it will taste absolutely amazing, guys. Trust me. So I will let this sit now for about 6 hours while I go ahead and do some house chores and stuff, and then I'll be back to show you guys the next step. So now our chicken wings are well marinated and I've placed them in the air fryer, and what you want to do is any of that marinade that's left at the bottom of the bowl, you want to put some on top of that chicken while in the air fryer. And now we will put it on 400 degrees for about 12 minutes and then I'll show you guys the next step. And this is how they look after 12 minutes. Look how juicy and gorgeous that chicken looks, guys. Simply beautiful. So now we'll flip them over and allow them to be golden brown on the other side. This will take about 5 minutes. And look at that, guys. After about 17 minutes in total, they are finally done. Okay guys, so this is how I make an absolutely delicious, quick, simple and easy jerk wings in my air fryer. I do hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below. And don't forget guys, hit that subscribe button for me. I will leave all the ingredients down in my description box and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!